Hi, welcome to Goan Food Court. Today's dish is a powerhouse of nutrients, simple and super healthy. This dish is prepared from the miracle Moringa tree leaves. So let's go to our Goan Food Court and start preparing. Watch this video till the end for the tip on great energy boosting drink. Let's begin with the recipe. I have taken 1 cup moringa leaves, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 small finely cut onion, 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon grated coconut, 1 tablespoon masoor dal and salt as per the requirement. First, let's heat the vessel. Once the vessel is heated, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 spoon ginger garlic paste, so that you keep the flame low all the time. Next, finely cut onion. You get the nice aroma of the coconut oil. So fry this onion till it becomes nice and translucent. Keep the flame medium to low and fry the onion. A pinch of salt, lower the flame, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix it well. Then I'm going to add 1 cup moringa leaves. Mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of masoor dal. I have already washed this masoor dal. Keep the flame medium and keep on stirring. The leaves will become soft and start leaving the water. Now I'm going to add salt. Lower the flame. Now I'm going to add water. Close the lid and let it cook for some time. It's been 5 minutes. Let me check. So let it cook for another 2-3 minutes. And dal is cooked well. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon grated coconut. So I'll simmer for 2-3 minutes. Mix it well, and once it becomes dry, maybe after 1 minute, then switch off the flame. Keep the flame medium. Switch off the flame. Now for the tip. Sun dry the moringa leaves, make powder and store in a glass jar container. For the drink, take 1 teaspoon of moringa powder, put it in the glass, add lukewarm water, stir well. Have this glass of water first thing in the morning. It is a great energy booster to start your day. Well, if you like what we made at Goan Food Court, you got to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to plant a moringa tree in your backyard or in a pot. Till then, be active, stay healthy.